Still here. Still here. All right.
Be careful, don't touch Izzy.
Thank you.
I told you, be careful.
All right, this is first step when you got stage here. So step up.
I always do.
Got it? Okay.
Thumbs
We might need a little bit extra help. So this is the beginning of his bravery
A true test of bravery would be if you went out of another car.
That was very brave.
No, it was very stupid.
Who wants to tell Matt what he's about to experience?
You're about to get lifted up in the air, like a beautiful butterfly.
You trust us to hold it?
I trust you.
All right.
Dude, you must be stupid. You trust Nate and Henry to hold it?
You can't see me.
I wouldn't trust Nate and Henry to hold a place in line.
Let's see here.
I don't think you're supposed to tell me.
Matt Miller. Jack? Is that you, Jack?
Yeah.
I can't see you, Jack. I can't see you.
All right. Now, you can't see anything, can you, Matt?
His hat is so
You don't know
stupid.
what's
Hey, Nate, his hat is so
All right, what I need you to
stupid.
do is we're just going to guide you over the board here. I just need you to take one step up. We got a board right here. Oops. Right there. And now put your other foot on it. It's like a skateboard, okay? Now scoot over just a smidge so you're in the middle. All right. Now, what I want you to do is to put your arms out. Well, turn sideways a little bit. There you go. Just like that.
Like this? Or
Just like that.
Like this?
Now, I want you to put your hand right here on my shoulder.
Okay.
And Jack's hand. All right, so this is for balance, okay? So we don't want you to lose your balance. Nate and Henry are going to pick you up and lift you up in the air, okay?
Okay.
We're going to see how high we can get you before you start to, freak out.
Okay.
All right, so you ready for this?
Yeah.
How high do you think we can get you? Up to our heads?
Probably.
You're already
All right,
there.
what's ready?
I'm ready.
Lift them up.
All right, let's go.
Ready?
A little bit higher.
A little bit. Keep going. Keep
Oh
going.
my gosh, it's so high.
You guys are going to drop him. It's going to hurt.
Hey, a little bit higher.
Keep going.
Dang.
Nate.
Keep going. Keep going, Jack.
You guys are going to drop him and it's going to hurt.
You know what I mean?
You fell so fast.
What'd that feel like?
Actually, felt like I was going.
It did feel like you're going. All right, let's go. I want you to go get Brooke and bring her in here to do the same thing.
Okay, I'm going to pause it then.
Okay, this is going to be very, very small. Okay, ready?
Very good.
Keep going to the left.
Brooke's doing so well. We just want you to
Way
make your
better,
way.
Nate.
Make your way up here to the
Yeah,
stage.
too bad Nate's been up here the whole time.
Let her fall.
You're coming up on the stage.
Yes, step up. Very good.
Ah.
Matt, you're
Who wants
That was like one of those King of the Hill type deals, Nate. Duh.
What?
All right, this is,
Stand on a board, no bigger than a skateboard, and be raised in the air.
we're going to raise you up in the air and see how high we can go without you freaking out, okay?
You got 5 feet.
If I fall, you gotta catch me.
Alright, I'll
Okay.
Ha.
So, you understand what we're doing? We're going to lift you up in the air and see how we go?
I'm not moving.
So far we got 5.
We've just got the board up on some books here, so I just want you to take a foot step forward till you feel a board. All right, you see that? You're going to just step on with your other foot. Very good. Now, what we're going to do is turn sideways a little bit. You've got Jack over here on your right. Put your hand on his shoulder, and you got your hand over here on my shoulder. This is just for balance, okay? We don't want you to get wobbly.
Okay.
But Nate and Henry are going to lift you up from your feet, okay, from where you're standing.
Have fun with that.
And we're going to see how high we can get up, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, big match right here.
5 feet.
6 feet. Let's go. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
A little bit higher. Keep going. Let's go. Keep going. All right,
Oh, if you
Jack.
guys drop her, that's going to hurt.
It's okay.
That's going to hurt if she
All
falls.
right. Back away. Back
If I could just interject, if you're being lifted up in the air, you're not supposed to lean to one side.
You all right, Brooke?
Just saying.
How high were you, Brooke?
I don't know.
About 2 inches.
You were about 3 inches off the ground. No.
Yeah, this like went right over her head.
Nate.
I felt like I was
No.
That's right, dumb it up for the YouTube.
That could be on the
Very good.
We should start
She knows that if you're
This
being
is-
lifted up in the air, you're not supposed to
Church
lean to one side.
555.
555.
This is PP Church 55.
Simple bravery.
5-5.
Yes.
They trusted yahoos like us with their faith. That's really